we kidding?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is the last dish in my HelloFresh box. It's Dukkah Crusted Pork Schnitzels, and the carrots kind of burnt in the oven, but I got some of the carrots, not a lot of carrots. But other than that, this dish is really nice. I would say that this dish is probably the best one out of the three that I've had. Pork is really nice. The schnitzel's lovely. You've got sweet potato, and you've got like beetroot and onions roasted, and you've got like spinach leaves, and this is just Dukkah crusted and pan fried. And then you've got this sauce. What is it? Dill and parsley mayonnaise. It's really lovely. Okay. Okay, so would I recommend HelloFresh, and would I buy it again? This is not my first time buying a HelloFresh box, okay? I bought it before. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. And the reason being is, although if you went to the shops, you probably get all the ingredients for cheaper, right? You probably could get all the ingredients for cheaper. Maybe. Okay, there's like, I think I spent like, I don't know what it was, $60 something for three meals. 3 meals, but they were actually, it's like 6 meals, okay? And so it's about $20, $20 something per meal. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it because you would never have, I would never have cooked these meals if I had not got the box, right? It's all very well to say that all the ingredients are cheaper and all that sort of stuff if you were to buy them separately or whatever. But at the end of the day, you still have to cook something out of the ingredients that you buy. So, you know what I mean? Like, I think part of what you're buying is the convenience of the actual product being already, you know, like you don't have to go and pick out all the items and stuff like that, right? But also, the ingredients actually are fresh from the farm, by the way. They don't have a middleman. Whereas if you were to buy the ingredients from Coles, there's a middleman, right? So the ingredients are fresher than normal. The other thing is the idea with the recipe and everything like that, right? I'm telling you now, I would never have cooked this or any of the meals that I cooked unless I had the HelloFresh box. So I think for the idea with the recipe and the convenience of the ingredients or at your doorstep, I think it's worth it. No? I mean, you can easily plan your own meals, but if you plan your own meals, I can tell you now, it will take a lot more effort, and you probably end up eating the same thing anyway. Like yours, when I cook my meals, I always eat the same things. So this gives you like an outlet to try different types of dishes. Yeah. You may not like all of them, but most of the dishes are pretty good. This one's really lovely. I like it a lot. So I'd give this one probably about, I don't know, 8 out of 10. The prawn dish that I cooked the first video, what was it? Yeah, it was just too a bit sour. I'll give that one about maybe a 6.5, 7. And the second dish that I cooked, which was the duck one, I ended up making the duck one with like a normal gravy, and I really liked it. You know, it's just your own preference, I guess, because I don't like really sweet mains. So that's just my preference. But I mean, I'm quite sure that a lot of people do like it like that. But for the duck dish, I'll give it about a 7. Yeah. So overall, if I had to give a rating for the HelloFresh meals, I'll probably give it like a 7.5. Alright. So thumbs up for HelloFresh. I think it's a good option if you want to try something different. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding?